Hello trader. Scalping attracts newbies with quick profits, especially when trading through the binary options trading simulator. What will be on the real account of the crypto market? Let's take the wicked scalping strategy as an example. To start trading on the vfxalert website, select the license that suits you. Or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. The strategy uses three technical indicators. Bollinger Bands with basic setting. The horizontal direction of the indicator's lines confirms the presence of a flat. The breakdown of the lines will be the signal of its end. If the range is wide enough, you can open options to roll back from the borders. This method is recommended only for experienced traders. MACD with basic setting. This indicator works both as a trend and as an oscillator instrument. So it will be the final signal to open an option. After installing the indicators, we look at the examples of signals. Exponentials moving averages with periods 14 and 35. Trend indicators by which we determine the opening point of crypto market. The strategy is not intended for trading during flat periods. We trade only if the range is between at least 15 to 25 points. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Up call option. The price is above the Bollinger middle line and EMA. MACD is above the zero level or its line is turning up. Down put option. Opposite signals, the price is below the EMA and the Bollinger middle line. MACD is below the zero level, the lines are turning down. There are no restrictions on currency pairs. It is quite possible to use the period of 1 minute, and options with an expiration of 5 minutes. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal adaptive strategy vfxalert. The first deal will be in Bitcoin. A quick UPWN trend ending with a strong impulse through Bollinger and moving average. MACD is below zero, vfxalert confirms down option. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. The trend starts the first pullback when buyers try to retrace upward and close potential losses. There is enough time before expiration for sellers to finally change the balance of power in their favor. "30 seconds before expiration. The price is close to the opening level, the option is in the money. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Next Litecoin. The downtrend continues for a long time. The third retest of that slow moving average is again unsuccessful. Oscillator and vfxalert show the second down option. The price has slowed down near the opening level. The trend of a long continuation potential for sellers is ending. The theory does not recommend opening on the third test, which is usually followed by a trend reversal. We took a chance on the vfxalert and MACD signals. We will wait for the expiration. 30 seconds before expiration. Sellers turned the situation around and continued downtrend. Even if there is still a reversal, there is little time left. The option is in the money. Let's go Ethereum. Rapid downward movement from moving average and the lower Bollinger Border. MACD histogram is below the zero level. vfxalert also shows the third down option. It is recommended not to trade during periods of low volatility. When the price movements end quickly, corrections and losses on signals begin. We always open up in the direction of the main trend. A rollback against the deal began. An option was opened too quickly, even if all the conditions of the strategy are met. This does not guarantee a profitable expiration. There is still time for a reversal and continuation of the trend. 30 seconds before expiration. The flat period has begun, the price is near the opening level. The downtrend is trying to continue. While the situation is unclear, even 1 point may be enough to close with a profit. The option closes at a loss. We are waiting for the next signals. We are starting to compensate for losses. Returning to Bitcoin, we see a reversal from the lower border of the Bollinger. The MACD broke through the zero level. Open the up option at the point where the price crosses the trend lines. Uptrend continues with a short flat near the opening level. Price tends to translate the option into a profit. The indicators also show growth, but it may have been necessary to increase the expiration to 7 or 10 minutes. The price is far from the opening level. There will be a profitable expiration. The option is in profit. To fully compensate for the loss, you need another profitable option. If there was a false signal for an asset, you need to continue trading on it if the conditions of the strategy are met. Again, Ethereum and all the conditions for the second up option. Beginners should wait for at least 2 values of the MACD histogram to overcome the zero level, only then start crypto trading. The price is moving up, all the indicators confirm this. A profitable expiration will close the entire loss. Then it will be possible not to take any more risks and end the trading session. The option will end with a profit, a strong downtrend. The price is far from the opening level. Even if the reversal begins, the remaining time is not enough to transfer the option to a loss. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than an 40 minutes profit $1,320 or plus of 74% to deposit. It is the very good result.